Shut up and sit down.
Value of oxygen and water in life, Earth, AC for students and children in English. Oxygen is a gas that is colorless and odorless and a key element in the composition of several compounds. Almost all organisms need oxygen to survive, but it is only trees and some microbes that can produce oxygen through photosynthesis. Oxygen reaches our body through respiration and is absorbed by cells for proper functioning, and oxygen is also required for creating energy. Fire will extinguish in the absence of oxygen. Earth's nature provides us oxygen in abundance, and we must keep the resources pollution free so that the air we inhale is not toxic. Water is another crucial element that sustains life and is formed by the amalgamation of two gases, namely hydrogen and oxygen. The oxygen cycle is the process that involves the production of oxygen by plants, and after that an organism, including plants, using oxygen for respiration and releasing carbon dioxide, and this carbon dioxide again being used for photosynthesis. This cycle of using oxygen maintains the amount of gas in the atmosphere. Water is also an essential component of our environment that is required to sustain life. Water sources on Earth are rivers, streams, rain, ponds, lakes, underground seas, and oceans. The water forms a part of the ecosystem called the marine or aquatic ecosystem. Water is the habitat for organisms like fishes, sharks, whales, seahorses, etc. And these organisms are sources of our food and also a contribution to economic assets. Plants and animals both require water for their growth. Almost 60% of our body is made of water. Water helps in blood circulation, lubrication of joints, keeping our body cool by sweating, releases toxins from our body. Water, other than drinking, is also used by us to clean ourselves, and bathing is essential for maintaining our body temperature. Water is also used to manufacture several products, generate electricity, hydroelectric power, etc. Both oxygen and water are essential for survival. Excess of any of these is harmful, like excess of oxygen, cough, muscle, turbulence, loss of vision, and can be fatal, and excessive consumption of water can harm our kidneys. Polluting any of the two resources will result in creating an adverse effect on the environment. We must strive to keep our environment clean so that we can breathe pure air and drink clean water. The conservation of both resources is vital to continue life by maintaining balance in the ecosystem. 10 lines on value of oxygen and water. Among all the other gases in the atmosphere, the amount of oxygen gas present is 21%. Almost 800 million people don't have access to clean water. The regulation of the temperature of the earth depends on water. Intake of excess oxygen, when the amount of gas exceeds 50%, can turn lethal, causing oxygen poisoning. Drinking excessive water causes water intoxication, which is fatal. With the advancement of human civilization, the amount of our life expectancy that has increased in the last 50 years didn't happen in the previous 2 million years. Before 1961, the atomic weight of oxygen was taken as the standard for calculating the other elements. After that, it was changed to carbon-12. One cannot swallow and breathe at the same time, a fun fact that involves water, oxygen, and us. China uses almost 65% of extracted fresh water in agriculture. Around 85% to 90% of the cells in our body are formed of microbes.